Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to hide the following tab on your Tumblr account on your mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to hide the following tab on your Tumblr account on your Tumblr application on your mobile phone. I'm just going to show in this video. For that, you have a few options to do this. The first option, just go clicking on the setting option on the top. Then you have to click on the pages. It's a visible pages on your Tumblr application. Click on this. Now you can see, click on the view section. So it shows post, following and likes. Now it shows following. So just need to turn off. I just need only a post option on my account. So you just the following has been turned on. You just turn off this. So now you can just click on the preview your Tumblr. So it will only shows the post, and the following tab has been hidden or turned off. So just go to your home section. You can see the following tab has been locked. You can just change here directly to. So this is how it just to hide your following tab on your Tumblr application on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.